Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the 8119 in Dallas, Texas, and specifically in Highland Park, Texas. So we're standing here, we're on the pool deck looking at this gorgeous pool for one, but also I did want to talk a little bit about the area. So the area this is located is fabulous. Literally right there we've got downtown Dallas, probably about 15 minutes or so just down there. So you've got great views of that, but we're actually in Highland Park. So all around us are some of the most expensive homes in Texas. They're here in Highland Park. So right here where you see this North Dallas Tollway, just right there, this is the divider to Highland Park is here. And then on the all the homes that you see over here, Highland Park, these are multi-million dollar homes. Over this direction, if you go about 5 to 7 minutes, is SMU. That would be University Park. So you have that, as well. So this is a very prosperous, great area. This is also super close to the airport. If you go, just go up just a little bit, just a couple of exits away, and then about 7 minutes this direction, you're at Love Field. So that's about 7 to 10 minutes from Love Field, and it's easy also to get to our DFW airport too. So it's just a great location to be in the middle of everything, but you're in Highland Park with plenty of things to serve you and quick access to everything. That's a little more on the area. Now let's go explore some more of the amenities. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.